Olympos Ancient City, the hidden treasure of history, culture, and nature. Olympos is a mesmerizing ancient city located in the Kumluca district of Antalya, where history and nature intertwine against the backdrop of the crystal-clear waters of the Mediterranean. As one of the most important cities of the Lycian League, Olympos was founded in the 2nd century BC and served as a significant port city during ancient times, boasting great commercial and strategic importance. Throughout history, Olympos has been home to various civilizations, including the Lycians, Romans, Byzantines, and even pirates. This rich historical legacy is evident in every corner of the city. Olympos's significance in ancient times was not only due to its commercial activities, but also its mythological tales. The story of the fire-breathing monster Chimera from Greek mythology has turned Olympos into a legendary destination. Near the city lies Yanartash, Chimera, a natural phenomenon where flames have been burning for thousands of years, captivating visitors. These flames, which once served as a beacon for ancient sailors, continue to maintain their mystery today. No one leaves Olympos without witnessing this natural wonder. Olympos is like an open-air museum with its ancient ruins. Within the city, you can find structures from the Roman period, including a theater, temple remains, a necropolis, baths, and city walls. The Theater of Olympos stands out with its breathtaking view of the sea. The necropolis area is filled with Lycian-style sarcophagi and tombs, offering important insights into ancient burial traditions. As you walk through Olympos, you can feel the traces of history at every step. Olympos is not only famous for its history, but also for its natural beauty. The ancient city boasts a stunning beach that stretches along the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean. Olympos Beach is an ideal spot for swimming and sunbathing. Just behind the beach, lush green forests extend, offering fantastic routes for nature walks and trekking enthusiasts. The natural beauty of Olympos also provides photographers with unique opportunities to capture unforgettable moments. Olympos is also one of Turkey's most popular tourist destinations. During the summer months, it attracts both local and international tourists with its serene atmosphere and historical charm. For those looking to stay in Olympos, the area offers boutique hotels, tree houses, and camping sites. The tree houses, in particular, blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings, providing visitors with a unique accommodation experience. For camping enthusiasts, the forested areas and the beach of Olympos create a perfect setting. Getting to Olympos is quite easy. After landing at Antalya Airport, you can reach Olympos by car in about 1.5 hours. You can also take minibuses from Antalya city center or nearby towns like Kashi and Finiki. For those traveling by private car, the road to Olympos offers a scenic and enjoyable journey. Once you arrive, you can park your vehicle at the entrance of the ancient city and begin your exploration on foot. Olympos is a must-visit destination for anyone who wants to experience history, culture, and nature in one place. This enchanting ancient city awaits you. Every moment spent in Olympos will take you on a journey through the depths of history while immersing you in the magic of nature. Get ready to explore Olympos, because this place is a true treasure.